Kenyans still trying to come to terms with the death of this woman, Everline Namukhula, who gave birth to quintuplets last month, but succumbed to complications yesterday afternoon at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. Now, before we give you more details about her post-mortem, let's talk briefly about the complications mothers experience when giving birth to more than one baby at a time. And I briefly want to take you through these 4 of them. Now, according to the American Pregnancy Association, multiple births can increase the chances of preterm labor or delivery before, and in terms of this one, this is before 37 completed weeks of pregnancy. That's one of the challenges of multiple births. Some data shows that 60% of twins are delivered preterm, 90% of triplets are preterm as well, and for Namukhula's babies, they were delivered preterm as well. That's one complication. The second one, briefly, low birth weight. Low birth weight classified as less than 5.5 pounds, and such babies have an increased risk of developing complications and long-term problems, including mental retardation. The third one here, preeclampsia, a hard word to pronounce, a condition in pregnancy that comes with high blood pressure, water retention, headaches, blurred vision, and last but not least, anemia. This is a condition when your blood lacks enough healthy red blood cells. But what exactly happened to Everline Namukhula? An uncommon heart failure that happens at the tail end of a pregnancy, scientifically known as peripartum cardiomyopathy. This was the cause of the death of Everline, who died on Sunday just 3 weeks after giving birth to quintuplets. Now, this is after a team of pathologists conducted a post-mortem examination to ascertain her immediate cause of death. The condition, according to doctors, is known but sometimes can prove irreversible if intense heart damage is experienced by the patient.
It is at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary where Everline Namukhula's family camped for the better part of Monday morning as they sought to get answers of what exactly killed their 28-year-old daughter. One who just 3 weeks earlier had been blessed with quintuplets, a blessing even though too much to bear, still brought joy to the family. Hours later in the evening, the report by Dr. Benson Masharia, a pathologist at the hospital, gave closure to the family, but more so shed light on the issues that affect most women who give birth.
Effusion, what we call effusion of fluid within the chest cavity, abdominal cavity, and around the heart, and also the swelling of the feet. These point towards what we call cardiac system. Having not found any other findings, all these features point to what we call medically peripartum cardiomyopathy.
Peripartum cardiomyopathy is usually a deterioration in cardiac function, presenting typically between the last month of pregnancy and up to 6 months postpartum. In such a case, the heart chambers enlarge and the muscle weakens.
The actual cause is not really understood. However, there are some risk factors that are known, of which we felt her having had a multiple delivery. Okay, that's one of the risks that is known, though it can also occur in just the normal delivery.
The condition, believed to mostly occur after delivery, can be noticeable in a patient if they show the following symptoms: fatigue, feeling of heart racing or palpitations, increased nighttime urination, swelling on the ankles and neck veins, and shortness of breath. These were the symptoms that Everline presented during her last moments.
Kufuata kupamo hawezi jikasa tu, anajikasa mpaka kwa watoto, anakamua maziwa na baeta mtoto, tunarudi anaanza kupumua haraka kabisa, mama ni kufa ni kifua tu.
At the moment, more tissues surrounding the affected organs have been taken for further testing to rule out any other underlying factors. The results expected to be issued to the family in the next 2 weeks. As for family and friends of Everline Namukhula, theirs is to cling to well-wishers to support them in raising her 7 children, as well as laying her to rest. Raquel Mugai, Citizen TV.
Well, our condolences to Everline's family and friends at this time.